Well, hi guys, it's me, Alex, your sassy dispatcher and the founder of Dispatch Training Center. Well, today I had a pleasure of having an interview with Alex Bloom, the owner of the Credit Booster. And we were discussing the challenges of trucking industry and importance of dispatchers, importance of teamwork between dispatchers and drivers, importance of building that credit history for your small company, your bigger company, maybe fixing your personal credit. And it was very intense interview. We had lots of fun because we both have a personality. So it was lots and lots of interruptions. Most of you who know me, you know I don't have patience, and maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing, but when people love what they do, it's hard to keep that passion away, right? So he asked me a question. Is it true that because of the dispatchers, some drivers are not making profit at all? And here's the truth, guys. Dispatcher is a main person in any trucking company. Because of the pro dispatching, you're gonna be eliminating dead miles. You're gonna be having the higher rate per mile. You actually not gonna be sitting on truck stop without loads because pro dispatcher will pre-book you. If you actually working with a pro dispatcher, you will be a team, a winning combination for both of you, because a pro driver and a pro dispatcher will actually make money even in this market. They will actually pre-plan their trips, and they will make sure they also pay attention to the safety and compliance because they understand the importance of safety rating. They will actually pre-plan what they're doing next week. And let's say driver needs to tell me if he's planning to do the preventive maintenance, if he has to be home, if certain areas he's not willing to go to. Me as a pro dispatcher, I will ask him to always communicate with me, always give me updates, and you don't have to call me because I am too busy booking the loads. I cannot be on the phone with 7-10 drivers. So we communicate through the TMS, we communicate through text message because we value each other's time. Plus, in the end of the day, we both need to make money. My driver is making money because I book him loads. I am making money because I'm charging the driver for providing service as an independent dispatcher. Most of the people ask, why should I even sign up for training to learn how to dispatch? Isn't it that easy? Just go on a load board, post the truck, make a phone call, negotiate if you know how to negotiate. If not, just agree for the price and that's it. What does it take to book the load? Well, guys, actually, it does take lots and lots of knowledge. First, simply knowing geography, simple math, understanding the logistics process, logical thinking, making sure that you know how to make that decision, understanding operational cost, and lots of more. So please, do not kid yourself that it is so easy as 1, 2, 3. No, it's not. Please do not come to trucking as another desperate dispatcher and actually start learning on real carriers because you will put them out of business. Treat it like any other job. First, you need a knowledge. Then, you gain the skills. Then you polish your skills, you improve. And only then, you can go and actually offer services. So let's agree on one thing. It doesn't matter which training you guys gonna choose, but let's understand the importance of foundation. You need to know equipment, you need to know negotiations, you need to know market, You need to know seasonal changes. You need to know simple FMCSA and USDOT regulations. You need to know how to build a relationship with the broker, how to be a team player with your driver and maybe your safety manager. You need to put all the circle together, and only then you can call yourself a dispatcher.